Guys, what's going on? So today I want to quickly go over, I know there's a lot of different methods on how to gain new clients. For me personally, this is what has been the most effective far and away. It's been on Facebook. So whether or not it's a local business or online businesses, which is where I get most of my clients end up being online businesses or digital marketers. But far and away, the simplest and fastest way to just start building a network and actually even getting some inquiries like same day and connecting with people who may be interested in your services same day is with the Facebook profile funnel. Okay. So here's an example. You can check out my page. There's tons of other people who I know do this really well. Um, and this is just the method that is going to cause the least stress, the least overall. It's not going to force you to go out and, talk to people one-on-one. Although if you really strongly prefer doing that, that's okay. But this is going to be the quickest path for most of you and with basically the least amount of time, stress, and effort. Okay. So what I recommend is you just have a nice, friendly looking picture of yourself. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to be wearing a suit necessarily or anything like that. But just a picture where you're smiling, right? And you look professional. And then up here, you want on your header image, you want to either give them some sort of a free cheat sheet, or you can also prompt them to book a free strategy session and just tell them in the image, click here. Okay. And so you see what I did here. Again, this is for a little bit different type of a client, but you can just say free. Here, well, let me show you how this works. So go on Canva and just create, this is 100% free. I just created this myself in like 2 minutes. You just type it out. And then over here, what you do is you go to this image here and then you, in the description. So once they click the image, which is what you're prompting them to do on here, they click it, it goes over here and then you can see the link over here. So you just paste the link to whatever it is, your free lead magnet, your strategy session, like booking page. So like your Calendly link or whatever it is. So that's what's going to happen. And then just put a quick short intro right here that's very tangible. So you can, if you want to just keep mine here, if you don't have the results where you've done a certain amount of money, you can instead say an additional 5 to 10 clients per month or something like that. But if you have like results and case studies, then you can also do that too. You can literally just copy and paste this straight up, like just use my stuff. And then second of all, if you have a Facebook group or something like that, you can link to it down here, or you can just create a square image. Again, I created this on Canva 100% for free. So let's take a look at this. It's not loading very well. Okay, here we go. So you just upload like the picture here. It just becomes a featured image. And then it'll point to a link down here and you can edit your links down here. So you can also create another like eye-grabbing image. It can literally, if you only have one thing right now, like let's say you only have your calendar booking page, that's totally fine. You can just create another attractive looking image right here and just instead change the text to like, would you like to gain 5 to 10 new clients per month? And then like book a free strategy session to see how we can help. And then you can say like book now. And then this can be a link to your strategy session booking page. Okay, so this is all it takes. Like I'm so serious. This is all it takes. And then what you want to do is you just want to find relevant Facebook groups of business owners, realtors, whatever it is, if you're going after a specific niche, you just want to start networking and making genuine connections, contribute in Facebook groups, like comment, reply back to other people in Facebook groups. And I promise you, like this is the fastest, simplest, easiest way to get clients. This is how I started my very first freelancing business, which was copywriting. And I started getting paid clients like within the first week. And I started making a pretty substantial income within a couple months for copywriting, right? Which is, I think, a lot harder to sell than chatbots. So you guys have you've already got a leg ahead, but this is, again, far and away, the simplest way to do it. I know a lot of you guys already have this set up, but you might not have this stuff down here. And so if you have got this set up, then great job to you. Kudos. I created a video. There's already a video on this in the members area, but I know there's a lot of stuff in there, so not everyone may have seen it. But if you don't have this, like just get this done like today. Okay, just make it a priority. Just do this one thing today, and then start joining Facebook groups, start networking with people. And that is seriously like the quickest way, right? Like people will see your intro and they'll just be like, huh, like I want that, like tell me more. Or right, if you say an additional 5 to 10 clients per month, they're going to be like, I want that, like tell me about what you do. Like they might start actually like private messaging you and reaching out to you. Okay, so please do this. You're going to get success, and we want you to be super successful. That is why I'm telling you this is the fastest path to getting clients, the path of least resistance. Okay, so go ahead and do this. Have a great time. Let us know how it goes. And also, if you've got questions or if you want us to review it and see, let's say maybe you're not sure on the headline or something like that, just give us your best shot, and then post in the Facebook group and say, hey guys, looking for feedback on my page, and we'll help you out. All right, thanks so much, guys. Chat with you soon.